Hello and welcome to this plant engineering video conversation. I'm your host, Amara Rozgus, and I've connected with Greg Ellrodt. We're going to be discussing MotionAI and a host of motors and motion control topics. So, hi Greg, how are you today?
Good, I'm good.
Good. So, let me jump right into these questions here.
Sure.
How are motors and motion control enabling industrial automation? And what strides have been made in the past few years?
So a lot of the expansion that's come on the motors and motion control side has come on the networking control schemes that have come out. Things like EtherCAD and Ethernet IP continue to expand in the industry. And so it's giving plant managers and plants a lot more accessibility to information on their technology, on their machines, what may be on the factory floor. And it also eases a lot of the wiring challenges that have come from non-network-based solutions.
Right. Okay. So what industries are showing strong demand for this technology, and why do you think that is?
Right now, the industries that seem to be growing in the automation space are semiconductor. Semiconductor always has a lot of demands. The semiconductor market's booming. Warehouse automation. A lot of facilities are looking at expanding their ability to automate their warehouses, with the evolution of things like Amazon and Walmart. They're expanding their warehouse automation capabilities, and so that's really seeing a lot of growth.
Okay. And we talked about this a little bit before.
Sure.
Motion control and motors are known for enduring a lot of wear and tear.
Yes.
How are you working to make them work longer than ever before?
Sure. Well, as we see a lot of the new technologies that are coming out from certain manufacturers, they're embedding sensors into their motors because sensors have gotten cheap enough now that they can detect things like vibrations and wear and tear on a motor and identify and tell plant managers like, hey, we have a problem over here with this motor. You may need to service it. So the new Yaskawa drives, for instance, have that sensor built in.
Okay.
So we're seeing a lot of that technology come into products that we handle.
Got it. So then tell me a little bit more about trends that you're seeing as it relates to plants, manufacturing plants and facilities.
A lot of, relative to plants, a lot of the trending is coming from gathering data of how everything is operating in a factory. So being able to harness that data, gather all that data, and get it up to some sort of cloud environment so plant managers can make decisions on efficiencies and operations is certainly a key component of where we're seeing the trends go. We're also seeing a lot of expansion on cobots, robots that are safe to operate around humans. So they're allowing human operators to become more efficient in their job. So that's another trend that we're seeing.
Cool. Excellent. Well, for more information on automation and other manufacturing related topics, visit Plant Engineering at www.plantengineering.com. Greg, thank you so much for spending some time with me today.
Thank you very much.
That's fantastic. Thanks for joining us today, and goodbye.